Well, there's a breaking news coming in. The Ashok Gehlot-led Congress government is set to move a confidence motion in the Rajasthan Assembly during the session will be beginning today. Well, Pilot had led a rebellion against Gehlot, also seeking a change in the party's leadership in Rajasthan. Well, at the CLP meeting held at his residence, Gehlot urged the Congress MLAs to forget the acrimony of the past month and move on. Well, the Ashok Gehlot-led Congress movement is also set to move a confidence motion in the Rajasthan during the Assembly session today. Well, to get more information, we have our CVR correspondent, Mr. Jagdish. Well, Mr. Jagdish.
Yeah, this is a very important assembly session to start very shortly right now. All the parties are there. In fact, the Congress MLAs also have reached the assembly from the Fairmount Hotel where they are staying since a very long time. The BSP, in fact, the Bahujan Samaj Party, has issued a whip to the 6 of its MLAs in case they vote for CM Ashok Gehlot and the Congress Party, they will be disqualified. On the other hand, the BJP also has yesterday in a meet called by the party, they have decided that they would move a no confidence motion against the Gehlot government in the assembly today. But countering to that, the Chief Minister and the Congress Party, the Gehlot camp, have decided to first move the motion because certainly they don't have to give a prior notice because the Congress Party does not have to, the party being in power does not need any notice to move the motion. So certainly this is a very important session. Remember, the MLAs had gone to the Raj Bhavan demanding an assembly session from the governor.
Right.
So this is a very important session and we have to see how it will move out as the time goes ahead today because all the parties are geared up for a very important assembly session. Havila?
Yes, also Jagdish, well, the party has 107 MLAs and in the 200-member assembly. Also, well, it is the much-awaited meeting between Ashok Gehlot and former Deputy CM Sachin Pilot took place, well, 2 days after Pilot returned from Delhi. Can you please explain on this? Well, as it took a lot of days, after a lot of days, the session has been started. So, what do you have to say on this?
The demand for the assembly session to convey very urgently was given by the Chief Minister Gehlot because he was hoping that he might lose some of his MLAs and it is very important for him to keep the flock together of all the 107 MLAs what he's claiming to prove the majority in case there's a trust vote on the floor of the House.
Right.
So now the governor agreed that 14th would today being the assembly session would be called and the Pilot also returning back to the Congress. Certainly, it's an advantage for the Congress Party, and it looks like it will sail through this litmus test, what it's going through, and the political uncertainty looks like it comes to an end. Now, apart from 107 MLAs, what CM Gehlot was claiming he's got the majority, other than 16 joining from the Pilot camp, certainly sees that he's on an advantage right now. But the BJP also is countering to that, saying that it will move a no confidence motion against the Gehlot camp. So yes, it's an advantage for the Gehlot camp and Sachin Pilot also coming back to the Congress Party. It's certainly a bigger advantage to the party. Avila?
Yes, Jagdish, also, well, you know, as BSP has issued a whip to its erstwhile MLAs to vote against Ashok Gehlot government in Rajasthan. So, in a case of floor test is held during the assembly session that will begin today. What do you have to say on this? And also, the 6 BSP MLAs has emerged with Congress last year, and the BSP has termed it illegal.
See, the BSP, what is alleging that the MLAs have been forced to join the Congress Party.
Right.
And it was a kind of a merger what the Congress Party has done of taking all the 6 of the MLAs of the Bahujan Samaj Party, the BSP. Now the party whip, the party chief Mayawati has issued a whip today saying that any of the MLAs who are voting for the Gehlot camp for the Congress would be disqualified. A whip has been issued in this regard.
Right.
So the BSP is clearly saying that it's not going to give a support to the Congress Party and looks like it might go with the BJP, but that's not clear. But certainly people need to not to vote for the Congress party in case there's a protest. And the 6 of the MLAs number also is very crucial in case of a trust vote, in case of protest has been called by the speaker, Avila.
Right. Also, Jagdish, well, Ashok Gehlot said that we will move the confidence motion ourselves. We shall also resolve the grievance of our MLAs who are annoyed with us, he said. Can you please explain on this?
See, the former deputy chief minister Sachin Pilot was not well happy with the way the Gehlot, the chief minister, was working. In fact, he had allegation that he was not being consulted for a very important decision, being the deputy chief minister of the state. So certainly he had a lot of grievances and he wanted to part ways with the Congress party, but that didn't happen. In fact of the chief minister hitting out at him, giving jibes at him at Nikamma and Nakara, Sachin Pilot was very patient enough of not responding or not retaliating to the Congress party high command as well as the chief minister as well. So certainly it's kind of Sachin Pilot has handled this particular episode of parting ways with the for some time, moving away from the party for some time very patiently and introspected like what better can be done, because it really didn't have any options either to join the BJP or floating out a new political outfit. So he certainly had a talk with the Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka, and they clearly stating that his grievances would be certainly. His prior demand was that he been projected as the chief minister and he made the chief minister. Yes, the party leaders in Delhi have agreed that after a certain period of time he would be certainly given an opportunity and he would be projected as the chief minister, maybe 1 year from now onwards. So, and all his MLAs also would be looked into or given the key ministries in the cabinet as well as key portfolios. Havila, so certainly yes, the Congress party has spoken to Pilot very clearly, and his grievances, the chief minister also has told that he would look into all the grievances once the assembly session gets over and things go very smoothly. Havila.
Right. Also, Jagdish, well, Congress General Secretary K.C. Venugopal, yesterday he said that now the Congress family is united and we will fight against BJP's bad politics. Well, he said that. Can you give me an explanation on this? On what basis that Congress General Secretary K.C. Venugopal had stated that?
See, but the Congress General Secretary K.C. Venugopal is also looking at the affairs of Rajasthan.
Right.
And he is certainly very clear that now things would be very clear since Sachin Pilot has spoken to the leaders in Delhi, and
right.
He's returned to the party and extending his support to the Congress party. So it's clear that the uncertainty is over. But yes, but uncertainty seems to be not ending now, because the MLAs of 16 of the MLAs what the Pilot was holding, certainly there's a murmuring and in talk that certain demands are certainly not being fulfilled. So yes, as the time goes ahead, because in 2018 onwards when the Congress party came to power in Rajasthan, and it's almost 2 years now left out for the next assembly elections in Rajasthan. So how well the Gehlot would take Pilot together and keep all the MLAs and the party together, it's a big challenge for the chief minister as well as Sachin Pilot also. How well he manages and works with Gehlot and keep the going together. That's very important, and we'll need to wait and watch how it goes out. Avila?
Right. Well, thank you so much for joining us on live, Mr. Jagdish.